As the thumbnail says, this actually my second pair of Timberlands. I picked up my first pair was about 3 years ago, but my feet were sliding all over the place because this shoe runs crazy big. I looked it up on here on YouTube and other reviews said exactly the same thing. Yes, you have to go full size down for them to actually be comfortable. But the question is, are they worth it? Yes, of course. 100%. That's why I pick up a new pair in my real size. Since I live in the Middle East, I've used this at the beach. I dragged them out through the desert. They completely black out everything. They waterproof, soundproof, basically anything typical shoe cannot handle. So yeah, I sold my size 7. Sorry, I have small feet. I know, and I got a US size 6. But it fixed everything. So my advice is don't buy this online. Go to a physical store, try them on, and figure out what exact size before dropping the cash. I hope this helps. It's a short video, but drop a like. Thank you.